If you live in the Sunshine State, you might have heard that windshield replacements are free, but it sounds too good to be true. So let's talk about whether it's actually free to replace your windshield in Florida. You may be able to replace your windshield in Florida free of cost thanks to a recent law prohibiting insurance companies for charging a deductible for glass repair. The catch is, these benefits only apply to drivers with specific coverage in place. To qualify, your car insurance policy must include comprehensive coverage and additional coverage that includes glass replacement. So, if you've only purchased the bare minimum amount of insurance required by Florida law, replacing your windshield will not be free. You may end up paying for all or part of a windshield replacement in other scenarios too. Let's say you cause an accident and your car insurance policy does not include collision coverage. If you damage your windshield or any other part of your car, you'll have to pay for repairs out of pocket. But if you have collision coverage in place, you'll only be responsible for paying your deductible. Regardless, it's important to get your windshield replaced if damage is present. You can be pulled over and ticketed if you don't. Plus, a faulty windshield can obstruct your view of the road, leak water into your car, compromise the integrity of your roof, or worse. It could even cause airbags to misfire and pose a threat to your safety during an accident. An out-of-pocket windshield repair or replacement in Florida will likely cost you between $200 and $400. To save money on your Florida car insurance or alter your coverage to include glass replacement for the future, download the Jerry app or go to getjerry.com.